All right, so this is the box that the BMW oil control valve comes in. You get it's a whole kit, and it's going to include this valve or the cyclonic device, as well as a whole bunch of these quick release fittings that you can, I guess, chop up and repurpose. So we're going to go look at how this is installed on a Porsche 928, and then we're going to have a look at how I've installed it on another motor that I'm in the process of refreshing. All right, so we're going to have a look at how this valve is installed on the Porsche 928. So I got it sitting right here in front of the engine, and oil vapor comes in to this part. This hose goes to, there's a T-fitting, and it goes to both of the valve covers, okay? And then this is oil vapor out, and this hose is going to run into the air cleaner in the back there. And then the oil drains at the bottom, and it goes into the, you can't really see it, but all the way down there at the bottom, it goes into a plate that covers. So that's how it's installed in the car. Now let's go look how we're going to install it on a different car. All right, so here's another motor that I've used this on. It's a Small Block Chevy 406 that is also in a track car, and it worked pretty good in this application as well. So here you can see the drain back. This is the oil drain back. It's coming out of the cyclonic valve, and the oil drains into this vestigial fuel pump cover. So I similar to the 928, I took something that's very close to the oil pan, and which was a cover in this case for a fuel pump. I drilled a hole in that plate, and then in this case I welded in an oil drain back. So this basically goes directly to the oil pan. So that's how this works. The oil vapor is going to come in here from the valve covers. This was plumbed into the valve cover, and it's going to go through this cyclonic, and the oil is going to fall down into this tube, and then air vapor it's going to separate in this cyclonic function, and then the air vapor is going to come out here, and that's going to go into the intake.